Hello, my name is Rajarshi Mandal. I am a first year student of IIT Kharagpur from section 6 E and EC department. My roll number is 21 EC 10054. Now I am going to demonstrate my DIY project assignment 2. So let's have a small glimpse on how I have made this. After all of these steps in Tinkercad, the final model will look like this. Here, as you can see, I have used these components to make this project, and it is the schematic view of the circuit which I have used to make my project. I have connected this red wire with the 5-volt voltage source pin and the black wire with the ground pin of the Arduino. For convenience, I have used a resistor of resistance 220 ohm and also a potentiometer of 250 kilo ohm resistance. In this project, I have used this potentiometer mainly to adjust the volume level of the piezo. The model of the ultrasonic sensor which I have used here is HC-SR04. Now come to the main objective of this project. Here, as you can see, I have programmed the Arduino board to turn on a green LED when there is no object within within the distance of 100 centimeter from the ultrasonic sensor. But as soon as the object comes within a distance less than 100 centimeter, which is here 78.6 centimeter, the Arduino will play a sound and turn on the red LED. At the same time, the distance of the object will also be recorded in serial monitor, irrespective of its distance from the ultrasonic sensor within the range of this device. Now here you can see the block code and the text code which I have imposed in this Arduino board. Now I will simply copy the text and will paste the same in the Arduino IDE software to check if it will compile successfully or not. Here IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now let me compile it. As you can see here, the compilation of the text code is successfully done without any error message.